Hey there, everyone. I hope you've had an amazing day today. If you're new to the channel, my name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. I get on here every morning, talk about what I'm looking for, what I'm going to be trading, what levels I'm buying at. And I come on here every afternoon, tell you the moves that I made so that you can keep me honest, follow along, learn how you can make better than an 8 or 10% return, learn how to really trade, really invest. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button for me. And if you get any value out of this, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm and helps me get these videos out to more people. So let's talk about the day we had today. We had the markets up a good portion of the day. However, we ended up closing in the red. S&P ended up down 0.84%. Dow down 0.30%, and the Nasdaq down 0.61%. I'm sorry. We also ended up though with the VIX down over 2.5%. So kind of an odd day that we had today, but a lot of money was made. I've always told you volatility is your friend. We had a lot of volatility. We had a run up today. We was able to sell some stocks and then able to turn around and buy right back in this afternoon. So let's talk about what we did there. Now, one of the stocks we was holding, which was Signature Bank, ticker symbol SBNY, we bought that a couple of days ago at 153.50. I had a stop loss in if it dropped 3% on me, which kicked me out just under 149. So I did take a 3% loss on that trade. Never happy about that. However, this afternoon it is at an amazing price. Right there around where it bounced a few days ago where we made so much money at. We're sitting just above the $142 level, which I'm going to re-enter at this level. I really like it down here. And that's why we set stop losses. We let them kick us out. You know, I could have rode that down and just been down this much and average down. But when it broke under the 150, I figured there was a good chance we could move down. I really wasn't expecting it to move quite this low. However, like I said, it's been an odd day. So we let it kick us out, and now we can take that same money and put it to work for us down here at a much lower level. So when it runs up, we have a whole lot more upside potential. So that's what we're doing on that stock. Now, I had also bought some Coinbase yesterday. I said I was looking at it in the after hours, put everyone on it. I was trying to get it for $62. It says under 63. If it didn't come on down, that I'd end up moving my price up more than likely. I did. I picked it up at 62.75. Wasn't as low as I wanted, but I did feel good about that. And it worked out very well for me. I ended up selling it today at $66, which represented a 5.2% gain on that trade. I was really happy for that. And I turned around this afternoon and picked it back up at $63. I said, you know what, I'm not going to worry about it going down to 62. I'm just going to pick it up at 63, so that's what I did. And I'm happy with that. Like I said, we made 5.2% from the shares that we bought just yesterday, and we're right back in it. So if we get a run up in the morning, we'll cash out on that as well. IMPP, we bought that yesterday at $55.50. I rode that up today to the 58-cent mark. I was hoping to see it break above that, and we actually did a little later on in the day. We did break up there and get up around 38.5 cents. However, I set it at 38 cents. We ended up selling out. That represented a 6.9% gain on that trade. So I was really happy with the way IMPP performed. Couple that with Coinbase, we had a really amazing day. What am I expecting out of tomorrow? Well, it's Friday. As you know, in the environment we're in, we've almost always got to sell off on Friday. Now, it could very well be that we could have another pop in the market in the morning and then have a sell-off toward the afternoon, and it could be a fairly substantial sell-off. But I do believe that the positions that we're in, Coinbase and we're in our Neo positions, I believe those are beat down enough already. I'm not too worried about them breaking down. If they did fall much, I'd go ahead and average down on those prices. But I think that there's a good chance we could get an uptick. I did not sell my Neo. We picked up some yesterday at 1080. I wanted to sell them today. They ran up. We were up about 60 cents a share. And I was doing some other things and just flat missed it. And because the price is so good, I'm just not worried about it, because I know if I hold on to this, I feel for the next couple of weeks that this could run up several dollars on me. So I wasn't concerning myself too much with it. But if I had it to do over again today, I would have sold them at a 50 or 60 cent gain and then bought back in as they dropped back under $11 today. But you win some, you lose some. We're still up on that position, so I'm not concerning myself with it. And that's what I want to get across to everyone out there trading. You're not going to catch every single move. You're not going to get the best price. You're not going to sell it at the best price. You have to have a plan in place. You have to follow that plan and make your money, get it liquidated, and get those profits locked in. And that's what I'm on here to help you with, is to have that conviction. You got to have the nerve to hold sometimes, but you also got to know when to let go, because you can hold on too long and let all your profits go if you're not careful. So I always like getting in, getting out, getting those profits locked in, but don't get in such a hurry that you let it go when it has a real chance of running. Everything is about statistics. It's about odds. So we always look at the odds. How good are the odds that something's going to move? But that's what I got for you this afternoon. Make sure you join me in the morning. We'll see how the pre-market's setting up. We'll see if there's anything that I'm looking to buy in the morning and get ourselves set up to close out this week strong. We're already up massively on the week. I'm really happy with it. And we'll see how we can close it out tomorrow. Till then, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers. I'll catch you later.